Well, this is as good a place as any to stop. Let's explain today's cycle. Well, I actually googled hilly chilterns cycle from High Wycombe. This one came up. It's an 80k loop around through, like down to Henley, Threath, back round, and then back to Wendover, and then back to High Wycombe. I think it's about 1,000 metres of climbing. Yeah, so this is as good a place as any to stop for a little lunch. Well, mid-morning snack. Just had my cereal bar. Legs took a little while to warm up today, that's for sure. But, it's a little breezy, a little cold, but sun shining and enjoying it.
Hey, you're welcome. It's harder to start on a hill. Have a good one. Have a good one. You're welcome.
Sunny side, we will be fine. So why won't we take time to listen carefully, everyone. It feels good on me. Rewind and rewind and rewind and rewind.
About halfway now. Well, my 53 kilometres in. It's time for a little banana and to rehydrate. Got a nicely little climb coming up over Cadston, and then I think it's to Wendover and then back around. So, yep. No one ever wants to see somebody eat a banana. All over me chops. There's been some really nice roads that I've ridden on today. Some of the villages that you get to go through around here, man, it's so pretty. They're literally straight out of a movie set. It's unbelievable. Anyway, man, my legs are tired. There's the beast. Can't believe I managed to grab this second hand. It's a Canyon Endurace aluminium in large. To be honest, it probably needs a new front chain ring, and it definitely needs a new shifter cable. That came out the other week and is now frayed, so that's a bit of a bummer. Once the bike shop opens back up again, I'm going to drop it down there and get it serviced properly. Get everything changed that needs to be changed. And then start hammering it again.
Listen carefully, everyone. It feels good on me. Rewind and rewind and rewind and rewind.
a little diversion as the climb up over Hillsborough to the golf club to Dunsmore, the road was shut. So gone through central Wendover and then coming up into Dunsmore now. We are 70 kilometres in. We've just hit 1,000 metres of climbing and my calf twin just started to get worse. What a... Never mind, eh? At least it's nice weather. Another epic rest stop. Dude, and look at... Honestly, some of the houses that you get to pass are unreal, and the salt in my eyes is killing me. I mean, that place there, I bet that's a stonker.